In this video, we want to create some reference account for our customer site. So I'm going to search for the customer. I'm going to go to Receivables, Billing, select my Acme business unit. So I'm going to go to the task list and I want to search for my customer. Customer name is Computer Services. So let's just click on search and that will bring my customer, which is Computer Service and Rentals. And I can see my site number. That's my site. And I want to create some reference for it. So reference account. So let's just select the site number. So if I scroll down to my address purpose and select my build to site, I can select the reference account. So let me just click on plus. So let's select my business unit, which is my Acme USA Business Unit 1. And that should default my account for me. So I'm just going to click on OK. And that will be the default account at the site level, build to site level for all my transactions. If I wanted to, I could actually override some of these accounts and use a different account based upon the customer site. So that's how to insert reference accounts at the site level. So I'm just going to save and close. Done. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.